Moment of truth, let's see if they work. You've probably seen an M3 or M4 with GTS style taillights, right? But have you ever seen an M2 competition with GTS taillights? I doubt it. We got GTS style taillights from VLAND and we're gonna be installing these today. All right, let's check these out. Damn! I had the option to pick the clear style taillights or the red style, but I went with the red style because it's more of like an OEM look and everyone picks clear, and I'm not like everyone, I'm different. I gotta remove the OEM taillights. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Okay, it looks like I need a 10mm socket. Both bolts are undone. It should just slide right out very easily. Why isn't it coming off? All right, turns out I gotta shove this pry tool in here. Boom. All it is one plug. You just grab it and you unplug it. Now we got our VLAND taillight. Plug it in just like the OEM one in the exact same spot. Make sure to unplug these two wires right here so you can activate the sequential lights. Pretty sure it just slides right back in. Just like that. Screw it in. It's almost there. Moment of truth. Let's see if they work. Whoa! Those are sexy. Let's try the hazards. Oh my God! Let me know what you guys like better. These ones are the OEM ones. If you guys want to get these for yourself, make sure to use code MAX on VLANDUS.com to save 15% off. I'm gonna go throw these ones in the trash now. I don't need these anymore.